Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Aginacraft. Today we are going to test the cheapest polisher on the market on this piece I was working on. So the story here is I made a beautiful flat coat. Everything was ready. The pistachio table was amazing, and then I accidentally put something on it, and it didn't really cure before, so I messed up the finish. And then I tried to pour another one, another flat coat on top of it, and I managed to mess it up because it was extremely humid and it didn't dry properly. So basically, you probably can't see it from that angle, but you know what? Let me show you. Let me show you what we have here. I don't know if it picks up, but it has these. Yeah, you can see it. It has these problems here. So I thought to myself, there are two things I can do. I can sand it and reflat coat it, or send it up to 5K and test the cheapest polisher we unboxed earlier. So yeah, basically this video is going to be more of a time lapse and me stopping eventually once in a while and explaining what's going on. So first I'm gonna send it up to 2,500, send it up to 5,000 grit starting from 240, and then we're gonna hit it with that magic polisher and see what's what. Okay, so join me on this adventure and see how the polisher fares. And I need to plug this in. I'm gonna go back to 120 grit and work my way up because I see bigger indentations. And I'm gonna use this ceramic pad I tested the other day. Grab a brush, get your pad. Yeah, not bad. 400, 800. And then the following. 1K, 1,500, 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000. So, sanding is done. I sanded up to 5,000. I skipped 4K because yeah. And it's time to set up the polisher. Polisher pad. Okay. So I think that's pretty much given. You put this on the polisher. Now there are two kind of liquids we're gonna use. This is, I don't even know what brand, but this is compound. Okay, and compound has has bigger particles than polish. So it's basically, you go sanding, you go up to 5,000, then you go compounding, then you go polishing, and then you go waxing. That's the steps. Okay, now how you do this is fairly simple. If it opens up, it does, yay. So what you do is you put a little on this and you spread it out. Use a glove, use a spatula, you know, whatever. It's your hand, I don't care. I use my hand because I'm a brave little soldier. There you go. Like so. You prime it basically, because there you go, something like this. You make sure you don't have dry spots on the pad, basically. That's the point, you don't burn the pad. And now you use a rag to clean your hand. Here we go. There. Put some fiddly-ding on it. And, you know, that's how the big boys do it. And yeah, we hit it. Okay. This is full speed. It is vibrating pretty well. I can stop it if I push it. If I push it very hard on it, I can make it stop. Friendly advice, stop it before you take it off and don't point it at your face. Right. Alright. So we did a few passes. Let's see what we done. Okay, so this came with a second. Okay, so this is the super fast finish. I have no idea about the brand, but it says you should use this as the last step. I think 3M makes two-step finishes, and McGuire's does some finishes, you know, and all that jazz. Just gonna spread it out. Yeah, it's much more creamier, much more milkier or fluid than the other one. All right, I think it's time to finish this project and see. Oh, come on now. And wipe. Need to wipe my hand. I can definitely slow it down when I push on it, but you don't have to push that hard. It's a polisher, not a sander. going to clean this thing off from all the residue. All right. It needs a little bit more polishing. Sorry about that, we had some internet connection problems I had to deal with. Now let's see what we have after some polishing. Okay. Let me show you what we have right now. So this is it. Okay. I think it came out pretty good. As you can see, it's not exactly mirror finish, but it's good enough. It's mirror to the touch, you know, and you can see every little detail in it, inside it, and it feels like you can touch it. Now, I achieved this with the cheapest polisher in town, basically, with this 50 euro polisher without the brand. Okay, and I got the cheapest polishing compound I could source from the internet. So yeah, lesson of the video: you don't have to buy the most expensive stuff to get a good finish, you know. And this is my first time polishing epoxy with the machine, and I'm really happy with it. Now about the polisher, it feels okay. I don't know how long the battery lasts, but I think I used up at least half of it now. It didn't lose power. I wasn't able to stop it. It didn't heat up. I was happy with it. Honestly, I have no problems with it at this point. So yeah, I think it's a win. Now, if it's gonna burn down in a year, I only spent $50 on it, you know. So if I can polish up all the tables this year with it, I'm happy. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you got something out of it, and leave me in the comment section what you think of this procedure and what you think of this polisher, and you know, like, share, subscribe, and all those things. Anyhow, thank you for your support, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.